Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by making a full copy of your original image file. Work on the duplicate to preserve the source picture at all times. Open the image in an editor that supports inpainting and layer masks. If you prefer command line, use image models with patch-based tools. Note the model's strengths and legal constraints before altering identifiable people. Gather original references or unobstructed background samples for realistic reconstruction. Save a working copy and label versions with timestamps for easy rollback. Confirm your project folder organization and naming conventions before proceeding to any edits. Create a precise mask around the dress area with feathering of 2 to 10 pixels. Work in small sections rather than the entire garment at once. Run inpainting or content aware, fill in small passes to preserve texture and shading. When inpainting fails, switch to clone tools and sample nearby background patches. Rebuild repeating patterns by copying and transforming small sections with careful alignment. Use layer opacity and blend modes to integrate new pixels naturally. Keep an undo history and export intermediate PNGs after each major pass. Compare with reference images to validate reconstructed details and lighting. Apply frequency separation, then dodge and burn to match fine texture and highlights. Zoom to 100% and inspect edges for halos or repeated artifacts. Use color sampling and selective color adjustments to match skin tones and background hues. Run a mild denoise pass at low strength to unify grain between patched areas. Flatten visible inspection layers and then save a layered PSD for future edits. Remove metadata and export a high-quality JPEG or TIFF at original resolution for final delivery. Keep labeled versions and document the edits for ethical and legal review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.